So, is there anybody else out there that ever has a little bit of extra time and gets carried away with themselves? I'm waiting for the wheel bearing to turn up. So I thought I'll clean all the rust off. And I thought, well, I've gone to the trouble of cleaning it up, I should probably just throw some rust converter on it. Well, while I'm here, one coat wouldn't hurt, would it? Does anybody else ever do that? Just start a job and then make it a little bit more complicated or harder than it should have been? Just curious. So this is dinitro RC900, if you're interested. Really good rust converter. It's expensive, but it's really good stuff. Well, let me know down below if you ever start something and just think, oh, I'll just do that, and while I'm here, and then it turns into way more work than it should have been.